This celebration reminds us of one simple truth. What we achieve together will always be greater than what any of us can do alone. Tonight, we gather not just as business partners, but as one community that continues to drive progress, purpose, and partnership across the country. Thank you for trusting our vision, and thank you for choosing to grow with us year after year.
Thank you for being here to mark another year of partnership. Tonight is very special because we're not just celebrating numbers. We're celebrating people, relationships, and stories of resilience and success. Yours.
Isa sa pinaka-matibay na patunay ng Pilipino will always go beyond. Anumang bagyo, lindol, o anumang sakuna ang pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa, hindi tayo nagpapatalo. Now, as we move forward, china-challenge ko ang bawat isa rito to go beyond. Go beyond is not about doing more. It's becoming more. More committed kahit minsan nakakatamad. More courageous kahit minsan nakakatakot. More intentional kung bakit natin ginagawa ang mga bagay-bagay. More unstoppable kahit dumaan tayo sa maraming pagsubok.
The true strength of the entire automotive industry is in the financing. Would you agree? So what you're doing right now is you're empowering perhaps the most productive members of society. And for that alone, I want to congratulate you and I want to thank you for that. So continue to look at it like that. Continue to think about what you do as empowering a very productive class of people that otherwise might not have access to that kind of capital. So for that alone, thank you very much and congratulations in advance to all the awardees tonight.
I'm Diane D. Temonday. I'm the owner of Vims Car Display Center in Davao. We like every single detail na ginagawa ni Global. And natutulungan niya talaga kami, ang dealership namin. Masayang-masaya ako na kapartner ko si Global Dominion sa pag-angat. Hashtag pwede pala.
Ako po si Cyril Daroy. Dito po sa Daro Cars Trading. 8 years na akong kasama si Global Dominion. Masaya ako na nakasama ko si Global Dominion sa pag-angat.
Hello everyone, I'm Alan Pareño from Bacolod City, and it has been 3 years of strong partnership, and I'm very happy that Global Dominion is truly our kapartner sa pag-angat. Global Dominion pushed us forward, encouraged us, and gave us the unwavering support to have our own showroom eventually. On behalf of Par Auto Trading, thank you very much for making our dreams to become a reality. Pwede pala sa Global Dominion.
Let this be our shared challenge, mga kapartner. To push boundaries, to question the old ways, to build better outcomes, and to lead especially sa pre-owned vehicle industry with the conviction na kaya nating mag-elevate, always improve, always go beyond. Ito ay para sa bawat Pilipinong patuloy na lumalaban, lumalago at nagpapatunay na kaya nating go beyond anumang hamon ang dumating. Maraming salamat. Cheers to everyone!
Dito sa Global, no, ang paniniwala namin ay simple lang. When our dealers grow, our entire community grows. Maraming salamat for trusting Global Dominion. Salamat for choosing partnership over convenience. Salamat for choosing courage over challenges. And salamat for choosing to grow with us. Let's keep turning milestones into momentum. Let's go beyond and continue driving tomorrow together.
Ang lakas ng isang Global Dominion ay nanggagaling sa bawat dealer na nandito ngayong gabi. Kapartner, the road ahead is bright. And with your passion and our shared purpose, there is no doubt we will achieve even greater momentum together. Tonight, we celebrate you, your wins, your stories, your milestones. But tomorrow we drive again, and we drive stronger, smarter, and together. Maraming salamat, kapartner. Congratulations to all our awardees, and here's to another year of growth, excellence, and going beyond.